You will travel far, my little Kalel, but we will never leave you, even in the face of our death. You will make my strength your own. You will see my life through your eyes, as your life will be seen through mine. The son becomes the father, and the father the son.
All days. Levi, is that you?
What?
Thank God you're home. Okay, honey, I'm stuck. My hand is stuck in the garbage disposal.
Are you sure?
Am I sure? Yeah, I'm sure. I'm waiting for yoga practice. I'm late for yoga, and I can't It's really important that I
You're
get there.
kidding me.
Would I really kid about this? I mean, honey, seriously.
can't get
look
it
at
out?
this. No, I can't get it out. It's completely stuck. I've tried everything. I don't know what to do. Look, it is stuck. Is there any way you can give me a hand? I've just got to get out of here.
Yeah, but
Don't hurt me. It's my sleeve. My
is
sleeve.
it caught on your skin?
No, it's not caught on my skin. It's either caught on my ring or it's caught on my sleeve.
All right,
I don't
so
know.
what do you want me to do?
Maybe pull me. Just give me a hand.
All right.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Wait, hold
I think it got loose.
Don't.
No. Okay, that's not gonna work.
What?
Okay, maybe if I just get a little bit of a different position or something. I don't know. Over here. Just grab a hold and pull. Just pull, Levi. I've got to get out of here.
Okay.
All right. Okay. All right. Oh, I think it budged. I think it budged a little bit. I think I felt something. Okay. Oh, honey. Oh, honey. No. Okay.
I'm sorry.
We got to think of something else here. That's not going to work.
Okay.
I don't want to cut this, but I've got an idea. Up on my nightstand, there's some baby oil. Would you run and get that? Maybe we can just,
Baby oil, you think?
I'm going to try anything at this point.
Okay, all right. You said nightstand?
Nightstand.
Okay.
Crap.
You get it? Okay, all right, I got it. So what do you want me to do?
Pour it all in there. Right there. Just get it all in.
Okay.
Right in there.
Okay, like this? Is that good? Or?
That's good.
Oh,
Levi, watch what you're doing.
Oh my God, I'm so sorry.
Levi.
I'm so sorry.
All right. You just wiggle.
Oh my God.
What are you doing, Levi?
I'm sorry.
Levi, oh my God, now I'm making a mess. I just need to get out of here. What are you doing?
I'm so sorry. Here. You want me to? Do you want me to take it?
Can you
take it off? Here. Let me. I'm so sorry. Let me.
Levi, you're getting it everywhere. Look at you.
I got class. I got sociology class. Here. Let me take this off. I'll help you. Hold on. Let me just hold on for a second. Just let me take this off.
This is becoming such a mess.